Welcome to our online webinar on digital pest control. The introduction is about why digital pest control, why would you need it, is it just a trend or is it something that's going to stay? In our humble opinion, it's definitely not just a trend, it's the part of our present and future of pest control. You can just go to the market leading companies' websites and you know what they're doing. They're all marketing their digital systems, and the most famous rodentologists of the world, like Dr. Robert Corrigan, say it's a no-brainer and will be one of the most used tools in pest control within the next 5 to 10 years. Why? You have law and ecological reasons that prohibit the use of rodenticides, anticoagulants, or anything that's called poison. So it will get harder to use poison according to law. Second, most clients don't want it anymore because of their standard or because of their eco-thinking. Third, there are various ecological studies that now prohibit that we shall, use less rodenticides. And my personal biggest topics or biggest arguments against this, poison, is that rodents have formed large resistances. So being resistant to poison is something that we found, especially in Germany, in the UK. You can read all the online articles about it. Is getting bigger and bigger, and it's the more poison we use, the more difficult it will always be. It's always gonna be to fight rodent populations only with rodenticides. Secondly, we also have bait avoidance in the technical terms, which means that rodents will avoid bait, and they have just learned over the thousands of generations in the past decades that what is rat poison, and that they will only nibble a bit of it and not die and form resistance. You know the deal. So we think tools will be more important also in this world of Internet of Things devices that make us work smarter, quicker, and more efficient. So basically people have seen a large trend to using more trapping devices or monitoring devices. And of course these need to be monitored digitally, which is just a no-brainer. Instead of driving forth and back to your client side all the time, you can now use low-cost tools that help you avoid that. We also have seen a trend that pest control is changing from fighting pests and control towards to doing proofing and hygiene work, to creating an environment that is rather, let's say, 80-90% pest-free, and installing control devices and mechanisms that help you to surveil the site and have a digitally operating trapping system which allows you to catch rodents, monitor rodents, but at the same time, whilst you're sitting at home at your desk or in your office, control every little bit of the factory that you're servicing. This we find is a huge transformation that pest controllers as well as their clients only benefit from, whilst at the same time being more smart and efficient in your way to lead your business. So we'll talk today about how your business can profit from this development, and how you can use these products to also win more clients with, at the same time, not investing into something that will ruin you, which can happen when you invest into the wrong technology, which we want to help you not to. So today is about digital pest control, why is it good for you, and what system is the perfect match for your business.